In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use the Smart Search feature. The full extent of Smart Search is available when your company subscribes to one of our smart programs and has access to a customized learning portal. This search feature is smarter because of our proprietary custom algorithm. It gives MLOs and company administrators control over identification of the correct NMLS required state-specific training. You can use it to determine the correct training for yourself or one of your employees. For example, let's say you need to determine an employee's training. To access Smart Search, you will log into the employee's account. This is accessible from the Manage tab on the left. You'll then select Users and then User List. Now, locate the employee using the filters. Then select Edit. Then use the Login As button. Notice you are in the employee's profile account. The employee's profile is very important. It must be kept up to date. Notice the profile includes a section to track employee NMLS state license requirements. For this demo, we'll pretend this is a new employee. Prior to using Smart Search, we need to tell the system what the employee has and needs. Let's pretend this employee needs to be licensed in Maine, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York. We'll let the system know that by checking the states. As we scroll down, you'll notice PE certification checkboxes for each state we just selected. We'll pretend this employee came to you licensed already in Massachusetts and check that they've met that state's PE requirement. When the box is checked, two new boxes will appear. One allows you to track whether the employee has acquired their actual license from NMLS. This is a manual update, so you or your employee will want to keep this up to date. We'll pretend they have their NMLS license and check that box also. The other checkbox that appeared is for CE requirements. If the employee is current, that box would also be checked. We'll leave the other checkboxes empty. Now that we're done, we'll save the updates to this employee's profile. You or your employee can keep the profile up to date whenever there is a change. Let's go smart searching now. We'll assume the employee is ready to get started on their PE requirements for Maine, New Jersey, and New York. The employee can log in and check Smart Search on their own, or you can log in as the employee. To access Smart Search, you'll start by selecting the Catalog tab to the left. Then select the Smart Search button. There are only two filters. Select the license type you want to search for first. In this example, we'll select and search for pre-license. Then select the states this employee needs. So in this example, we'll select Maine, New Jersey, and New York. Please note, these states must match what is shown on the employee's profile, otherwise you'll see an error message. Then you'll select the Filter button to see the results. Notice the Smart Search results. This employee only needs state-specific courses from New Jersey and New York. Smart Search quickly compared what the employee completed based on their profile and what they said they needed. In this example, Smart Search gave them credit for Massachusetts PE and compared it with the NMLS requirements for the three states they needed. Because Maine has the same requirements as Massachusetts, they do not need to take any Maine training. New Jersey and New York, however, do have state-specific requirements. As you can see, Smart Search takes the guesswork out of identifying the correct training and gives the control back to administrators and employees to determine the correct training required to meet NMLS state-specific requirements. Depending on the SMART program you sign up for with Ameritrain, the employee can either self-enroll or you can manually enroll them in the course. The Ameritrain Smart Track reporting tool will then track the courses your employees have completed and the requirements they've met. This ends our Smart Search tutorial. For more information on Smart Track or our other features, please visit our Ameritrain YouTube page.